Hey everyone, I hope you're having a great Thursday. Today we're going to be looking at section 1.7, which is midpoint and distance in the coordinate plane. So we're going to look at some formulas on how to find the midpoint or the length of a segment, which would be the distance. So what is a midpoint? So this should be review. We should know what the midpoint is, but the midpoint goes right in the middle of this segment here. And what's special about the midpoint is that each side of it are going to be the same measure or congruent. So A, and let's call this midpoint M, we could say that AM, the segment, is equal to, well, the measure of it anyways, is equal to MB. And so that's pretty important there, that these are indeed congruent. So that's what a midpoint is, and we're going to go ahead and talk about how to find it. So here's the midpoint formula, and I just want to touch on it briefly, and then it'll be on the next slide for you to write down. So the point A, we're just going to label it x1, y1. So that's just our first point that we have, and that's going to show up over here, our x1 and our y1. So I always generally just choose a point, and I know that that's going to come first in my formula. I then choose my second point, B, and that's going to come second in the formula. And since it's halfway, we're going to add them together and divide it by 2, and that's going to give us our midpoint right there. So go ahead and make sure you write this down, and there's going to be an example on the next slide.